to our video on effective time management. Time is a valuable resource that can never be recovered once lost. Therefore, managing your time effectively is essential for achieving your goals and maximizing your productivity. In this video, we will share some tips and techniques for effective time management. Set priorities. The first step in effective time management is setting priorities. Identify the most important tasks that need to be done and focus on completing them first. Create a schedule. Create a schedule that allocates time for each task. Use a planner or a digital calendar to track your schedule and stay organized. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can be counterproductive and reduce your overall productivity. Instead, focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can actually increase productivity by reducing stress and fatigue. Take short breaks every hour or two to recharge your batteries. Delegate tasks. Delegating tasks to others can save time and reduce your workload. Identify tasks that can be done by someone else and delegate them accordingly. Use technology. Technology can be a powerful tool for time management. Use apps and software to automate tasks, set reminders, and stay organized. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major obstacle to effective time management. Break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps and tackle them one at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can waste valuable time and reduce productivity. Identify the sources of distraction in your work environment and eliminate them as much as possible. Practice time blocking. Time blocking is a technique that involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks. This can help to increase focus and productivity by reducing interruptions and distractions. Review and reflect. At the end of each day, review your schedule and reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. Use this information to make adjustments and refine your time management strategies. Conclusion. Effective time management is essential for achieving your goals and maximizing your productivity. By setting priorities, creating a schedule, avoiding multitasking, taking breaks, delegating tasks, using technology, avoiding procrastination, eliminating distractions, practicing time blocking, and reviewing and reflecting, you can improve your time management skills and achieve greater success. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights into effective time management.